Hi, I'm Paul Altham, Technical Surveyor at Concrete Grinding Ltd. Flat floors are essential in any warehouse, particularly those with very narrow aisles. Uneven floors slow down operations, increase maintenance on your forklift truck fleet and create a health and safety hazard. If a floor is only slightly uneven, and this is magnified in direct proportion to the height of the racking. A fully extended forklift can lean and sway dangerously as it travels along an aisle. At Concrete Grinding, we specialise in upgrading new and existing floors to super or even ultra flat standards. In doing so, we are providing the very best platform for your operation to run on. We're the market leader when it comes to flat floors, and we've been doing it longer than anyone else. Our unique laser grinder system was patented in 1991, and we continue to design, build and develop all our equipment in-house. It's something we are passionate about. Our laser grinders are completely self-contained, meaning no trailing pipes or cables and no requirement for a costly three-phase power. The majority of our work is completed in fully operational warehouses. Our laser grinders are clean and dust-free, meaning that existing stock doesn't have to be removed from the racking. Grinding is completed quickly, with a minimum of disruption and extremely accurately. In fact, we guarantee to achieve any standard of floor flatness that's required. As we only grind the areas out of specification, not the full length of every aisle, we also ensure the process is as cost effective as possible. Out of all the things we do, the most important thing to us is our customers.
I can honestly say I've been totally surprised in their performance up to date. They've been amazing. When they sit there and tell you that they're going to achieve what you want them to achieve, without any dust, without relatively any noise, any inconvenience, you don't believe it, but they do exactly what they say, and I cannot emphasise enough how professional they are.
Our technical skills and experience are second to none. So, if you're interested in increasing efficiency, lowering truck maintenance costs and creating a safer working environment, please give me a call on 01 484 6080. I look forward to hearing from you.